UFO sightings are at an all-time high. Earlier, UFOs were only seen at night by a select few, but now these UFOs are even being spotted in broad daylight by huge groups of people. All of this has created a great amount of panic among the general public, as we don't know the exact intentions of these extraterrestrials. And in order to ease this nervousness, the US government held a special UFO congressional hearing on September 9, 2025. The hearing was titled Restoring Public Trust Through UAP Transparency and Whistleblower Protection. At this hearing, 3 US military veterans came forward, describing in detail their eerie encounters with these UFOs. Shockingly, one top-secret UFO video was revealed at this hearing, where the US military attacked a UFO, but the end result will leave you totally dumbstruck. Welcome to Lab 360, it's time to explore. The US military in the past has recorded multiple UFO sightings. It has disclosed many of them to the general public, through the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office or ARO, which is set up by the Department of Defense to investigate unidentified flying objects. But the US military till date has not been able to explain any of the UFOs captured by them on camera. And at this bombshell UFO hearing, another unbelievable UFO video was revealed to millions of viewers from around the world. But this was not just any normal UFO sighting. This footage actually demonstrates the first time ever in recorded history that any military has dared to attack a UFO. This UFO sighting took place on October 30, 2024 off the coast of Yemen in the Middle East. An MQ-9 drone was in the area doing its routine surveillance when it noticed this bright orb moving at phenomenal speeds. This footage was recorded with the MQ-9's forward-looking infrared camera. As you can see, the orb was moving at a great speed over the ocean and the MQ-9 was finding it difficult to keep track of the UFO. Sensing some kind of danger, another MQ-9 drone that was in the area joined the pursuit of this UFO. And after some time, the second MQ-9 drone fired a Hellfire missile at this orb, hoping to shoot it down. But what happened after that left the entire military stunned. The Hellfire missile hit the moving orb with great velocity, and just got deflected without inflicting any damage. So as to say that the orb was protected by some kind of force field, from the surface of which the Hellfire missile just bounced off. Just to put things into perspective, here is the destructive power of a Hellfire missile. As you can see, the pure brute force of a single missile usually obliterates its target. But surprisingly, the alien orb was unaffected by the missile on this occasion. The missile did push the UFO off its original course for a few seconds, but after that, the orb continued to move in a straight line, at exactly the same speed. Another strange thing that can be seen in this footage is that, when the Hellfire missile hits the orb, 3 smaller shiny orbs break up from the main orb. And these tiny orbs continue to move besides the main orb for some time with the same speed, as though they were the defense mechanism of that UFO in response to the Hellfire missile. Had the MQ-9s fired another Hellfire missile at the orb, maybe these 3 tiny orbs would have unleashed their destructive power on the military drones. Luckily, the drones didn't continue the attack and the orb eventually sped off at phenomenal speeds. Similar orbs have been seen all over the world, from Puerto Rico to the Middle East, defying all laws of physics. But what kind of superior advanced tech do these aliens possess, that even one of the most powerful missiles in the US military's arsenal couldn't even produce a dent on the surface of the orb? The US military till date cannot ascertain what it came face to face with that fateful day. If the most powerful military in the world can't inflict any kind of damage on such orbs, what might happen when these aliens come with their full might, in case their intentions are hostile? Do we as humanity even stand a chance of defending ourselves against them? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to Lab 360 for the latest revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.